Okay, so first of all, let's create our demo. And let's see, I'm gonna show you the design first of all. Okay, so this is our design. Hopefully we are gonna be able to recreate it. I'm not gonna bother with this top part of the mobile browser and this bottom part also. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this open for now. So next, so this is gonna be our password generator. Okay. And let's actually start our server. Here we go. Nice. We have our server. And so let's see here. Actually, first of all, let's also create the CSS file. Actually, an SCSS file. So right here, I have what is SCSS? Let me show you. So SCSS, we can create easier CSS for our web app. So let's say that I have here a font size of 5 pixels, right? And let's also say that I want the paragraph inside it to be a font size of 10 pixels, right? So usually how you would write this is UL font size 5 pixels, then for the paragraph you're gonna have to say this, which is very repetitive, right? Or whatever, 10 pixels. So what you want to do instead of this is just use CSS and nest it inside it. So right now I have this extension called SCSS to CSS, which automatically converts this into this, which is basically whatever I showed you earlier. Okay. Well, let's make sure that I didn't screw anything up. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Next, we should also import our CSS in here. So this should be fine. Let's test it out. Change the color of the body to, dark blue, dark cyan for now. Okay, it works perfectly. All right. I'm also gonna have to create a script.js file, but let's just move forward for now. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna need a background, right? Because I'm on this center. Let's just get this color. First of all, okay, so I just got this background color right here, but I want it a bit maybe darker, the background, you know, the less opacity, I mean less saturation, vibrancy, whatever you want to call it. Okay, this looks good. So first of all, let's style our body a bit. I'm gonna say min width VH and play flex. And then also align item center and justify content center. So now everything within this should be in the middle. We just have a div of wrapper. And let's write some text inside it. If this shows up, oh it does right here. Okay. Mean height element. Yeah. Perfect. So now let's just go on the body of color of white. Perfect. So right now I want my wrapper to be right. Try a width of 500 pixels. And we want the background color of this color. Okay. 500 pixels is a bit large. So I'm gonna go to 350 maybe. Something like that, I guess. Alright. Next I want the aspect ratio to be 9 or 16. Nice. This way we have just like a phone's aspect ratio without having to declare the height, which is pretty good. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, so let's start with the beginning. First, we're gonna have this generate password text with a photo to the right of it. So I'm gonna say make it an H1, actually H2. Oh, H1 looks fine. So with a generate password, let's wrap this in a div with a class of heading. Okay, that looks good. See, we have generate password, perfect. We also have a little bit of padding around this. Let's see. So I'm just gonna add that to my wrapper class. Say 15 pixels. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe less, maybe 10. Yep. Let's just get this background color for now because it looks better for the body, you know. So body. Maybe also do a border radius on here. Let's see this much. It's good. Right. Next I wanna get a pretty font, so I'm gonna show you how to do that. Be on Google Fonts. See how this font looks. This looks like Open Sans to me, or a bottom. I'm just gonna go with Robot Sans for now. I'm gonna. We don't have any italics, so I'm not gonna get that. I'm just gonna get the bold. Also gonna get the medium. And let's also get the regular. Why not? Alright, this looks good to me. So now what you can do in CSS is either use CSS to import it like this, or you can use a link. I'm gonna go with the link. Let's paste it in our header. Perfect. And let's just say over here fonts. Good. So now I want my body, all my body to be open sans for now. This looks good. Not the same font, but it's pretty close, I guess. Actually, let's see if it's in the bottom. See the G somewhere. Yeah, this is Roboto. Okay, change of plans. We're going with Roboto. Remove this. Thank you. And let's go light, regular, medium, and bold. That's all we need. Let's see over here. Okay, and then change the font family. Perfect. Nice. So what I want to do is heading. Wait, maybe like 400. I'm guessing this was already normal. Oh, 300. Did it change anything at all? Doesn't. Something's not right. See what? So it's because of the H1 from our user agent style sheet. What if we say H1.heading? Or actually, wait. It's a heading H1, yeah. Let's change it to 300. Oh, perfect. For now, 400 looks good to me. Actually, oops. Do we have medium or semi-bold? I'm not sure if you got it, but we have medium. Let's just get them all for now, honestly, just to be sure. Oh, it's because this font doesn't have a semi-bold. Got it. I understand now. Okay. Now we have the generate password. Let's quickly get a picture of a portrait. Let's see. I'm just gonna go to flash one. Profile picture. Yeah, let's search for profile picture. Okay, search for portrait maybe. Okay, this is a good picture. I'm just gonna go get the image link. Actually, let's download it. Never mind. I'm just gonna use the link. Okay, so what we have here. We need an image source of this. Wow. Image address. Perfect. Let's see, and the class of profile. Okay, so first of all, we want this picture to be inside the heading wrapper. And for the heading, we can say display flex. Okay. And for the image, let's see. Heading display flex. Okay, it should be okay. The image. Oops, what's that one? Need a width of pixels maybe. I don't know, pixels. Hello? Why are you not working? Try refresh. Oh, it's working now. Okay, something's weird. I'm just gonna restart my server. Okay, so now if I remove this, okay, perfect. Let's see here. So first of all, for my heading, I want a line icon center and the justify content of space between. And for my picture, okay, so as you can see, we can see it here too. We have a slight border, and the image is not that big actually. So let's try maybe 40, and also is this acting up again? Can't tell. I'm gonna say object fit. Oh. Hello. It looks like we have some issues with yeah, our server. Okay, looks to be working fine now. Okay, next we want a border of let's say 2 pixels, I guess. The border radius 50%. Okay, it's pretty much the same. Let's see here. This is all we need for this part? I guess so, right? Let's see. Small break. Okay, and we are back. So let's get going with these fields right here. As you can see, all of them have a little descriptive paragraph, I guess. So we should keep that in mind. Okay. So let's make a div class with generated password, I guess. Okay, let's have the div p with a class of section title, I guess. Say generated password. Okay, style this big boy up. So we have generated password. We have then we have the section title. Let's just try this color for now. And quick transform case. A font size of like 12 pixels, maybe. Probably we have a bit more padding. I'm gonna change it back to and first of all, let's do something that we did from the beginning. Set the box sizing to border box. Better. For 400 pixels. 60. Yeah, this looks all right. Next, what do we have? What do we have in mind? So what? Let me see. Size for this one is 32 pixels, but I believe it's actually 28 pixels for some reason. Oh, 30? Okay, we'll go with 30. We don't have the design, so we can be pixel perfect, but that's not a problem. Okay, so we have the generated password text. I'm gonna make it a bit bolder. Font weight, let's see. So we have the light, normal. I think we have medium, right? Yeah, that looks better. And we also have a bit of letter spacing. Maybe 1 pixel. Yeah. Okay, and then we have this big guy, right? Let's see. First of all, let me take the color. Okay, we have the color. It's right here. Let's create another div for this. Let's give the class of generated password. We already have it? Oh no. This is the wrapper. I'll change the class of this wrapper to wrapper. Yes. And then we actually have the generate that password right here. Okay, for now let's just put some random text in it, like password here. And let's see, what do we have? Perfect. So let's say background color of this. Is this same color as? Oh, it gives me the wrong color. Hold on. Oh yeah, got it. Nice. I'm just gonna zoom in a bit for it to see better. Okay, what do you have here? So, as you can see, the font size is a bit bigger, like something around 25 pixels, 24 maybe. And let's go with letter spacing a bit, like 2 pixels. Yep, that looks like it. And next, what do we have? We have text align center. And we have padding, top and bottom. 10 pixel maybe. Okay. Something like that. I'm actually gonna make the font a bit smaller, just in case we have a bigger password. We don't want it to overflow or something like that. We also don't want it to. Actually, there's no problem if it makes it bigger. Okay, we have this part. Let's go ahead with the next part, which is the length. For now, okay, so we need another wrapper for this. Length wrapper. And let's say we got the same P with the class of section title. And it's gonna be length. Then it's gonna be some number. Now let's put 10. Now let's put a comment here to do it. Change this number with JavaScript. So whenever we are moving the slider, we want this number to change right here to show the actual value. Perfect. And then let's see. We need another class. So as you can see, these ones are all the same size and everything. So I'm just gonna make a class of something like, let's see, blue container. Let's go with that. Okay. So in this blue container, we basically want the same stuff as the generated password, much, but let's see here. We have a length of 10. Take this out. I need this. Let's see. Now we have our styling here. So for the blue container, let's see. Blue container. Let's give it this. Let's give him everything actually. First of all. Then we need the font size much smaller. It's almost the same as the paragraph. So let's see, the paragraph has a RM, I guess. RM. We don't need this letter spacing anymore. We don't need a text align anymore. And the padding, let's see. Let's put a number in there. So I think this is a bit big. Yeah. I'm gonna go with spans here, just because. Change this to a span. Let's give a class of min value. And let's actually create a second span, which is this one right here. With the max value. Class name. Perfect. So for now, I'm gonna say, okay, do we need this? Yeah, this is perfect. I'm gonna say for the loop container we have a display of flex. Then we have a line icon center, and specify content space between. So now you can see that it pushes it away, and we need the same thing here. We need all the ways to be pushed. Okay, next we need this input slider. As you can see, it has a custom styling, which is great. We can work with that. Let's see here. We need oh wait, let's do the styling for the span first. Font weight should be thin, I guess. Okay. Yeah, we have. Okay, let's put the input inside the middle. What type? Where is it? Should be type range. Type range. Here it is. Okay, so as you know, inputs don't have a closing tab. Just close them. They are self-closing type. Okay, let's give it a minimum. So right now we have this range right here. Oh, what happened here? Oops. Oh, this already has the padding pretty much. Not exactly, but pretty close. Let's give it a minimum of, what was it, 4 and a maximum of 32. Okay, and let's put a value of, wait, what? Okay, let's give it a value of, what is it? 4 for now. Okay, just put it in the middle actually, that's it. So right now I want to do a bit of inspecting. So what I'm gonna do is give this a class first of all. Give it a slider class, and I'm gonna say slider equal document query selector and class slider. So right now, let's see the slider value is 16 right here. But if I put it to the end, 32. But if I put it to the minimum, 4. So as you can see, this thing works with minimum and maximum exactly as we like it. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have this slider with yes, let's try to change it to 100%. Yeah, this works. Let's see. Let's put it 90%, I guess. 40%, 80%. Why is 90% the same as 100%? Weird. 3, 5. Somewhere around this. Okay, but now we need to change this CSS. So how are we gonna do that? Well, first of all, what we're gonna need is a bit of CSS, of course. Let's see. So we are out of this. The blue container and the spans should be the same because they have the same font style and everything. Let's just do the slider. Let's get rid of the width. Of what did we say? 85%, right? Okay, perfect. Next, we're gonna do WebKit appearance. What was that? Probably it's not standard. Yeah, I know that. None. As you can see now, it's basically default. Let's do a height of 5 pixels. It's still much. It's like 1 pixel wide height. Okay. See. Okay, you are getting banned. Cute. Okay, height of 1 pixel, then we have a background color of something blue, I guess. Oh, that's ugly, very ugly. Let me draw this color real quick. Okay, found it. Perfect. Yep, looks exactly the same to me. Okay. Then what we have next? So we also have this WebKit slider thingy. It's called a WebKit slider thumb. So let's go and, which is I hate when this happens because of live because it's auto saving. I gotta be fast. WebKit slider thumb. Okay, we did it. Let's do a background color of white, and this is not working. Oh, we first have to declare the WebKit appearance none. Okay, now it disappeared because it doesn't have a width and height. Let's just say 25 pixels. Okay, and then border radius %. Is this too big? Yeah, it's too big. Let's do 20. That's much better. Just like in the design. Right, this is nice. While we are here, why don't we change this already? Let's get ourselves into a bit of JavaScript, just for fun. Okay. JavaScript.js. Include it. I'm just gonna include it in the head. not how you include scripts. Hello? So script to the source, the JS, and with the type for text JavaScript. Why is this broken? So let's see if this works. Console.log something. Hi. Perfect. Works. Alright. So do this right here. Change this number with JavaScript. Okay, first of all, let's do it. Give this a span type. Perfect. And set it as default. So the default is 16, which is right here. And then whenever this changes, this input, we want it to also update this number with whatever the main value is. Oh, why is this one? Am I tripping, or is this changing by itself? So weird. Okay. So let's select first of all this input. Let's give it an ID. I know it has a class, but let's give it the length ID, I mean. So let's do document that add event listener and then content loaded into a function. Say we have length, right? Oh, this is weird. Automatically puts the quotes, right? Semicolon. Weird. Okay. Let's see. What do we need here? So when the doc content is loaded, we want to get this input, and whenever it changes, we want to update this. So first of all, let's say let input slider equals document that query selector of the input input slider. So we have this ID right here, the length ID. We need let name, I guess. It is a class of length. Okay, so let length number equal to the same thing. Jesus. I need to disable whatever's doing that, because that makes it crazy. Okay, so input slider that add event listener. Whoa. Easy there, tiger. Change. Is this how it works? See, I'm not sure if this is how it works. Input slider add event listener, or is it? Oh yeah, it works. Okay, so can we take the key value of this? Also log key. See what happens. Yes. So then we need either target that value, I guess. Target value, yep. So let's see, either target that value. Boom, boom, boom. 32 max for minimum, perfect. And then what we need to do is just change this. Whenever this changes, we get this value. We set the length number. Oh, right here we need this needs to be. Okay, so length number equals with the target that value. We don't need this console log anymore. Okay, so that's weird. I didn't mean to say that. This is so bad. So line number dot inner text. I wish we could change this whenever this value changes. Like if I bit clicked, as you can see, it doesn't change values. Looks fine for now. I'm gonna maybe revisit this later. Need something about the updating. So for now, this is pretty good. It's also be a little more free. Date number, length number, one slide of range. Always comment your code, guys. Okay. Let's see, what do we have next? We have another wrapper with the section title and everything. Just gonna call this. Where do we use this? We don't use this. This is the only place we're using it. Perfect. I'm gonna change this to something like element wrapper. More sense. Right, nothing's broken. And let's see. I have the blue container, we have the element wrapper, and then go ahead and create another element wrapper. This is getting a bit confusing, so I'm gonna come on this as well. So this is the length container. Then this is the generated password container. The heading we already know. Problem. Okay, much better. You can see it better. Okay. So what do we have next? We have the settings. Oh, we already have the settings. Nice. So let's see. Settings. Container. So what do we need here? We need an element wrapper. Oops. Okay. We know P. We already know it. Class. Section title. Settings. Is this good? Yes. Perfect. And then we need three of them. Blue containers. Oops. Let me try something else actually. I can't recall how it's made. That blue. Okay, M3. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Perfect. Let's see here. So we have the blue container. Inside here we just have two paragraphs with two spans maybe. Good numbers. See how this great actually. We need build a classic setting name. So for the setting name we need a font size of maybe 14 pixels. Look closer to it. I guess. And what I also noticed is that on our blue container right here, on the design we actually have a bit of border radius. See it? So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a border radius of like 5 pixels. Yeah, that's right. Nice. Okay, so we have the setting name, and then let's see. Ooh, we made a bit of a mistake, I think. Oh no, we didn't. We just need a margin button. Okay. So let's see. We are inside the settings container, right? Element wrapper, let's say settings container. Let's say over here settings container, and what I want to do is put a bit of border margin on the bottom of this, because right now all three are stacked together. We need a 5 pixel border bottom. So what I'm going to do is settings container and then blue container, margin bottom of like 5 pixels. 5 pixels. Yeah, this is still too big for me. I don't like it. Better, I guess. So we have the include numbers, include letters, and include symbols. Let me copy this. Include letters and include symbols. Okay, it's good so far. Then what we have is checkbox, but this is a custom checkbox. So let's see how we can do it. So first of all, we're gonna need a label, because I want to have a span inside it, which is this button right here. So whenever I click on the label, which is gonna be the outer blue part, it's gonna toggle. So we have a label. Then inside the label, we're gonna have an input of type checkbox. Okay, and we are also gonna have the little the round slide. So what I'm gonna call it, like, let's give it a class of Okay, I guess that works, right? Let's give this label a class switch. Okay, let's see what we have. We have the normal, just a normal input. So right now, what I want to do with this input is make it go away, right? So I'm gonna give it a display of none for now. So what am I doing? We switch input. So right now, for the switch, right, we need to have a width and a height. There. This is the outer part, right? So let's do a width of, maybe 40 pixels. Let's see how it is. Let's also give it the background color of this blue. So what I'm gonna do actually is this. So let's see, background color, this color right here. Right now we're not gonna see it, but as soon as we give it a width of, I don't know, 6 pixels and a height of 30 pixels maybe. Ooh, that's way too big, right? Yeah. Let's do maybe, yeah, like a 40 pixel and 20 pixel. I guess. Oh, it's still 40 by 30. Looks good to me. Six. Okay, better. Let's give it a border radius. Right now we can't put it 50% because it's not gonna be well. So we need to put it half of the height, I think. Yeah. In order for it to be rounded beautifully. And I think we still need to make this a bit wider. 50 pixels. Good. It's much better. Okay, now remember how in this switch we have this span of circle? Okay. Cover that real quick. We're gonna say, okay, so its width is gonna be like 4 pixels more. So let's say the height is 26, right? 28 pixels and height 22 pixels and the background color of 12. Let's see how that looks. Not looking like anything at all. Sorry. Nay. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is let's give this switch position of relative, and then let's give this this is the circle, yeah, position of absolute. Okay, that works. So what we need now is to give it a position of top 2 pixels, right? Because it's half that over there, and left 2 pixels. Let's see if this works. And then border radius of 2%. Yeah, but this is too big. So let's go with I think maybe. I'll give it a 4 and 4. Nice, this looks good. I'm not sure if it's exactly the same. It's not the same, it's a bit longer. That's the job, right? Okay. So right now, this is not well. You might ask why. Because this is not checked, right? It's on the left side. When it's on the left side, we need it to look like this. So what can we do about it? This is like a grayish color, gray or something. Yeah, that's more like it. Disabled. Then background for this, I'm just gonna get it real quick. Okay, so right now it's disabled, it's not checked. If we go and inspect this, you can see we have the checkbox right here. Okay. What do we need to do next? Let's see. So this switch is our input, right? No, the checkbox. So what we need to do inside the switch, right? We have the input, and if the input is checked, then make slider. Not slider, sorry, that's the circle. Actually, this should be switch, right? And then background color, that blue. See our input. Why is our input not working? I think it's a CSS problem, honestly. I think we need this outside, and we don't need it to be input check. It to be. Need to give the class. So yes. Okay, and this needs to be outside of this. I'm pretty sure. This is still not working. What about the label? I want to see which size it has. Okay, so let's try to do a bit of JavaScript to debug this. I want to say I'm just gonna get this class. So we have this input check. It's checked, right? So if it still don't stay checked, right? Okay, the checked is false. So if we click right now, okay, the checked is true. Okay, the functionality worked. So All we have right here is the CSS. That's a problem for us. Okay. So let's see if the checkbox is checked, right? Let's try something else. Let's make the whole body, right, a different color. Okay, so this is not how you do it. Okay, let's see. This is not working. So let's see the CSS plus selector. Select the first p element that is placed immediately after div. Can it be a child or no? Oh, so now. Yeah, it's the one behind. But this, yeah, it's not. There was something with this. Just says select something. The just an end. Okay, let's see if this works. Checkbox is checked, right? The checkbox is checked. Select the switch, right? Oops. Let's see if this works. Wow, live debugging, guys. Live stream. See, so we have the switched background color. The checkbox inside the switch. I mean, we can do it with JS, right? Don't need to do it with JS. Let's see here. Okay, what I'm gonna do, change the switch to be position. Okay. So the background color, the width and the height are all in the border radius, are all gonna go on the circle. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is make a before element. Position this again. Don't think we need this. Okay, bear with me, guys. Now let's see, inside the circle we need and 4. We need this, all of this. Background, position absolute, top. And for the before we also need. Okay. So right now the circle is this right here. So we have the label, we have the circle. This one should be, I think if you put this as inline block, like flex, I guess this will work. Play, like, okay. And now what we can do is, see, we take the more music, just music. See where the music is. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, check if the input is checked, and then select the one behind. So that checkbox, checked, and then plus probably span or circle, background color. See if this works. Not work. Checkbox, checkbox. If it's checked, select the span behind and change its background color. This should work, unless I'm doing something crucial. This circle, why am I inside the circle? Oh, this is why it's not working, of course. So this is the before, this is the circle, and still not working. Okay. Still in the switch, right? Oh, this needs to be there. The circle needs to be 5. Oh, working. Aha. Okay. Now, when I first load the page, this is checked, right? If it's checked, we don't want it blue. We wanted this color from up here. and if it's checked, we want the before element, right? Let's see if we can do it like this. Before left, what is 50 minus 4? No, it's 4 plus 24. And that looks good as positioning. And then what we can do is transition left 0.5 seconds, please. Does this work? Oh, look at that! Wow. And then the background for this should be that light gray. No, shouldn't. It should be, what should it be? This one maybe? Is it this one? No, not this one. I think I lost it. Should be this one. Then we also need to transition the background color. 0.5 seconds is okay. One more thing we need. We need to make sure that this is not checked with. This works perfectly. Checked true. Checked false. Wow, look at that. Actually figured it out. So now let's do the same thing for other ones. Letters. Symbols. These guys, this is so nice. Okay. Let's see. What do I need? We need that took a lot of debugging, honestly. Small thing. Need this generate password button. So as you can see, it's just like the blue container, except it works. So I'm just gonna make another blue container. See? Settings container. So I'm gonna make a div, a class of blue container. And then I'm also gonna give it a class of the submit button. And I'll say generate. So for the submit button, what's changed, right? First of all, margin top. Oh, that doesn't work. Why? Oh, why I do not work? Here. It's not a problem of display. I think this to be relevant, maybe. I'll change it. So let's have flex. Listen. We have then I have the we can just give it a or something. Fine. So we need the line method text transform case. Nice. What else? Once a big big. Oh, this is even bigger. Hold on. Big. Go smaller. Like I can't create anymore. Generate. Better spacing. No. Okay. Why this is not aligned next inside? No. Oh, because it's a flex. I think now the I thought that was going to change something. Okay, now what we need is this gradient background. For the background, we do background. How much? Linear gradient from red to left. Okay, now all we do is change the colors. So colors real quick. So the first color is and the next color is this one. You're right, actually. Okay, now all we JavaScript part, which is coming tomorrow. Maybe pretty close to the design, right? Yeah. Not bad, right? See it's other side. Much better. Take a moment to think. Hey, this is beautiful. actually we can do is the button right here. Some weird stuff. Okay. So for this button right here, which is the submit button, we can say cursor pointer. And now we will select. But we don't use it to select. Oh, for this one too. I didn't. This one. Whoops, sorry about that, guys. Let's see. Okay. The label, switch as well. Is something like save. Okay, for the hover I want the background, or just put a filter maybe. See the box shadow, right? Okay. Position, oops, box shadow, 0.5 seconds please. Okay, and do 22. I really want to do this. I'm going to go from 0. Be barely visible. I want it to go like 10 pixels. That was right. We can do this also for the switch. Wait, something's wrong. Okay, we don't do this also, by the way. This right here, the before, right? We never change its color. Better. Okay, this is it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care.